Currently smoking some ribs. Got some beard mail and other types of mail. The chickens. This is going to be an awesome video about scent and seeing if I can help build the perfect scent. It's going to be a little, not accurate, but it's about as good as we get. Let's just go down the line. I am going to blur out the ones that are beard related, and that's okay. We have clove, love it. Peppermint, in reason, with a little bit. Cedarwood, pine needles. All these scents are good in moderation. Lemongrass, just did a video on that, love it. I'm gonna, eucalyptus, I loved it. It's a little strong right now. Lavender, I'm falling more in love with it. Patchouli, one of my new time favorites. Orange, something I only use for the house. Trying this out today, smelling it for the first time. Incense, actually frankincense. It has the last part of incense. I believe frankincense is sort of a incense type smell. We have right here blurred out. I'm going to use these to help build some scents. I have oud. I have sandalwood bourbon. I have vanilla tobacco. And then just a very favorite scent of mine, a green scent, as well as sandalwood amber. So I think I'm going to have that as a base. Love these smells, by the way. And later this week, I am going to be making a video on Renewed Man, Michigan maker. This is a very nice heavy package. I can just anticipate. Won that. Can't wait to make that video on Thursday, along with a couple other. Not windy, so I took off my little dead mouse, whatever you call it. I am gonna do a little hat switcheroo. I've been looking at hats all summer. Finally pulled the trigger one night, and I got 2 deals on the same night, at least a third off on some of these, or half off on some of these. So check out this sweet knife. My pinky has 0 strength in it, and I mean, if I can flip like that, wait till you guys see this. I've always liked this design, always. It's really old design, but I think the way they did it, they updated the look a little bit. Slightly bigger, more simplified boulder, and it is a fitted hat. I'm surprised it fits in here, actually. I have an extra large head in fedoras, and this is a 7/5/8. Heck yeah, check that out. These just look real nice fitted. It's got orange and black tiger, orange and black Halloween, an orange top. My other tiger hat, the top fell off. MLB with the orange right there. The gray underbelly. I will probably end up maybe leave that little ball on there, I don't know. And here's the thing about fitted, it's flat right now. I don't think it's supposed to be flat. When you do bend your rim, you gain a whole lot more circumference. The circle just works better when the brim is bent. So I will be bending that brim up. Here's what I'm thinking. Before you go to use a essential oil that's been kind of laying around, you just want to give it a little bit of a shake. I think I want to center my smells around patchouli. I do love this stuff a lot. I flipped my camera around. I do love this stuff a lot. I could see, I hear it's a love it or I hate it. I love it. My wife hates it. Her nose is off for some reason right now, and it might be because, I don't know, she got the COVID. I don't know. But there is little things, if I could go into patchouli as a scientist and strip out parts I didn't like and put in, it does have a little bit of a dankness to it, and I would say dank. I can already smell it right now. It's has a earthy, a dank, a wet earth. I'm gonna try is we're gonna mix it with some sandalwood amber, and this is a butter, but it's got a very, you can pick out the sandalwood, you can pick out the, I'm just gonna lay it on my arm. I'll put like one here, 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 and here, and here maybe. So I'm gonna try sandalwood, and so this will be like 3 cents. Let's get a little sniff. That is really good. And throw a little bit of patchouli in here. Some scents just kind of work together. You can kind of build it in your mind. A lot of people that check out my videos, they know what I'm talking about. They go on, there's a couple different companies that allow you to help build their beard oils. So, but how can you help build them if you have never smelt these and you don't have the bottles in front of you, and you can't like get it in front of your nose? Like, how do you know what's good if you haven't smelled it? So this isn't like a real test, but it's close. You know, this is kind of like a cut thing. It's got some carrier oils in it. Probably don't want to ever put a straight essential oil on your fingers. This, I do like putting it straight on my fingers. I've even read some people online that do. I'll put a little bit like here and here on the hot temples of my hand, and even maybe get a little of my beard. And wow, you know, how many of these drops are in a bottle of your beard oil? It's like a very small amount compared to how much oil is in here. Put this stuff on straight and you got like you're at 100% right out of the gate go. So, all right, let's just, you know, I probably can just, we're gonna use a lot of, might do a lot of building with patchouli. That might not be a full drop there. I'm just gonna get it right here and give it a sniff. Ooh, whoa, that just like transformed it into like almost like a cannabis smell. That is a nice one. I can see maybe doing that one again. So I kind of want to have this built around patchouli, but I'm thinking actually, since patchouli could potentially turn off some people, you know, there's people that love it. Tom Ford has a patchouli scent pictured right here. What was I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna try another one here. I don't want to contaminate my 100% anything. Oh, ooh. I have never smelled frankincense. I am going to be doing that right now. This one is like, we're gonna be doing a video on here shortly. 15 milliliters, so half an ounce right here. These do not come off that great. It's very surprising scent. It's almost like a lemon. If I wasn't exactly sure. Oh, I do love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Let's get it on this middle finger here, just a little. What's it look like? Patchouli is like a darker, like an orange. This is a clear. So let's put some of that on here. Oh, that is not so good. You know what that actually smells like? I've got like tiki torches and like lighter fluid now. I actually thought it smelled a little bit like an orange. Here is an orange. I don't know if I would say like, you know, it's good. It's not what I was expecting. All right, going back to the patchouli, sandalwood, amber, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of amber bourbon into the mix. Just see what happens. Boom. Just like that. Do some editing here. And it's very much like the sandalwood bourbon that I was using. I'm not getting much of the previous stuff. Surprise, because patchouli is a kind of a pow scent. But I really do like that sandalwood bourbon. It is like a go-to night scent, surprisingly. If I'm gonna drink bourbon, I'm gonna drink bourbon at nighttime. I'm not gonna wake up and drink it. I'll feel like a drunk, you know? Not thinking alcohol ever in the morning. It's kind of it's a good thing it's a good life rule to probably have. Okay, do like that. let's just get crazy here and try some patchouli. Let's do it on the middle finger. Just kind of pick up, see that color? Put it right up here in the meat of my arm. What would happen? Ooh, I love it. I do love it. I am a patchouli fan. I know like a lot of you guys are too. With a little bit of sleepy time lavender. What do I get? I can already smell it. It smells good. Ooh, God. Oh. Nah, I did say in my lavender video that straight lavender is like super pow. And it is. So I am wondering about tobacco vanilla on there. Let's do 2 drops. It's got carrier oils in there. For some reason, this tobacco vanilla I think smells sort of like a cookie, like a snickerdoodle cookie, and so I'm getting a lot of that right now. I do not hate that smell. I do not hate it. What if I throw in a little bit of, you guys know what that is. I don't have to show you the brand and you know what that fierce looking animal is. Throw in a little straight oud, some royal oud in there. The world's most expensive. Guys, I'm gonna be taking a shower after this, so don't worry. Hopefully this wind will calm down. I think the thing is, if it's gonna be windy and it's like little bursts of wind, make sure you don't do important talking while it's windy, because you can always cut those parts. So let's mix here. I can smell that oud. The oud to me, let me just do a sniff on this oud real quick. Oud is like just manly smell. There is a video I want to do that's a little clue. What to do, let's try. Whatever I had right there, good. Sandalwood, amber, patchouli. Now that I know that's good, let's just drop a little bit of peppermint in there. Like if I was to do a bottle, I would do a very light amount. And actually I'm just gonna grab a little bit off the rim. That smells good. This is like a gum. Chewing on some gum and mix. Whoa, right away that's a strong gum scent. It's almost whatever I'm throwing on top seems to be the takeover. I'll come back to it. I do not hate it. All right, what else do we got? Hey, shout out to Indiana. Thanks for throwing these oils in the mail so fast. Sorry to hear what's going on with your company right at the moment, but thanks for that. All right. What is going on? Let's try this. Got some real estate up here, I do believe. Frankincense. Can almost not reach it with my nose. Like it? Clove. I love clove. Thing is, some of these hotter scents like cinnamon, I find irritate my skin a little bit. Kind of warm. It's kind of I'd say it's like on a warm side. This is just about to drip, and I'll just kind of steal a little bit of a drip off the rim. That was probably more than I needed. This clove oil, just looking at it right now, is clear. It's gonna be like a lot of clove. Clove is one of those scents that I can just stick in my nose. I don't know what it reminds me of. There is a candy, I think it's like a red hard candy, and you would like course, you just like suck on it like one of those butterscotch candies when you were a kid that comes in that gold yellow wrapper. I think there was a red one that smells just like it, and it is wonderful. It's one of those scents you could just eat. That smells really good. I think the frankincense warmed it up a little bit. I think when you're making an oil, you want to have like maybe like 3 cents, just so nothing is like too dumb, you know, something new. If you're a company that's like, I think like the beard oil game, when you're like new at it, 2 cents together, and depending on the ratio, that's pretty, you know, that's pretty new. And with your carrier oils, but having like a 3 cent and just like putting it together, you really like, it's hard to, they probably call it more cologne. It's hard to tell like exactly what you did there because of the ratios, and but I always find even like throw in like a 4th thing and like keep it a mystery. That smells like something I would eat. What would happen if I threw in this lemongrass? If you watched my video yesterday on lemongrass, I was like huffing it, and you could tell I was like in just pure scent heaven. So, got 2 drops on there. This is a very fresh, lemony, citrus, uplifting smell. It'd be kind of cool to take lemongrass and lavender together. Like something that wakes you up and something that's supposed to put you to sleep, relax you, and go boom. That would be kind of cool. Getting very much lemongrass now. Doesn't work. This doesn't work. Yeah, I'd eat that. Whoa. Yeah, I would eat that. Here's another way you might be able to test. Of course, you could test them on paper like they do at the perfume shop. There goes my air conditioner turned off finally. Lemongrass and lavender. Let's stick one in each nose. Well, guys, I don't know if we got any closer to what I was looking for. All I know is that this one works. That's with the spearmint now, I guess. I don't hate that. That one works. That one works. That one does not work, but I don't hate it. It's just weird. I'll have to go back in the video and remember what's where, and maybe I can just put the titles up. All right, this is probably a long enough video as it is. Guys, thanks for watching. Of course, I do like this one. This is a very green scent. Yeah. Love that one. All right, guys, I will be coming out with some more videos this week. Stay tuned, guys, and beard it. Beard it. That's a new one, right? All right, guys.